Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm going to show you how to activate iMessage on this device. So here you have normal messages application, but if you wanna to activate the iMessages, you need to find messages in settings here, and then find your iMessage and click on this tumbler. Here you can find send and receive future, and I suggest you to find here your number you want to use and click add to the I forgot to this application, to FaceTime application if you have not added it earlier, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.